Hi everyone. We currently have,
Kabasabi, 100.
let's keep on sending stickers.
Comment nyo ako ilang dayas.
Give us some love. Yes, Blue's may exciting to make announcement.
Masarap talaga. Parang naiiwan yung lasa niya kapag nasa, lalamunan na. Naiiwan pa rin. May aftertaste siya. Creamy. And yeah, creamy. I can feel the creaminess. So yeah, you can comment down below. Of course, our coffee ground. Baka coffee beans yung gagamitin ka. Better if gagawin ko. Kasi para siya, yung sa mga pain, madalas. Yes, at least siya mix with water, which is easier. Kapag yung color. Yes. Screenshot! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hoy, color. This is a face of, I don't know, a random person. And kaya coffee kasi this is what happens for me if you drink too much coffee then. Your eyes will become... I'm sorry. Sorry. Yes. Ayaw mo na i-zoom. Basta yes. This is a girl and yeah.
Feeling that I want to stay. Cause my heart starts beating triple time with thoughts of loving you on my mind. I can't figure out just what to do when the cause of you is mine. Looking over but still in your eyes. My used to argue it's alright. I know we haven't seen each other in my while. If you will always be mine, butterfly. And we haven't seen each other in a while, but you will always be my boo. Young girl, you were my boo. Time to time, something like my boo. Seeing sa labis ko. Oh my god, I love this song! Woo! Ta-da, 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 ta-da. La, ta-da, ta-da. La, ta-da, ta-da. La, ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. I'm thankful every day for the gift. Okay. Okay, I see. That's my mama's request. Watching as you softly sleep. No, for those who wait too late, we gotta go for all we know. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. The two of us. You and I. Don't wake you. For love, no time for tears. Wasted water's all that is. And it don't make no. Wait lang. Wait, let's find. Ay, ba today?
Fake news yan.
Ay, natatakot ako para sa sarili ko. Natatakot ako para sa atin. Lalo na lang yan. Anong kuko ang laman? Let's ask the lie detector. Naman kami po. Asa na ba yung si Ling Ling? Ay, ayan o. Ling! Ling! Come here, come here. Come, come. Jump, jump. Come here, come here. Jump, jump. Hindi niya alam paano tumalon. Just let it flow. Let it take me where it wants to go till you open the door. There's so much more. I've never seen it before. Ling Ling, where are you? Hi! Ang cute pala ni Mix kapag kakagising niya. Sure ka. Guys, have we have to delay the El Luna impression because nag-record pa yung ibang girls. So, I cannot put impression, you know? Ang ganda daw ng electric fan. Boses ng electric fan. Ako masaya kasi piling ako lahat ay binigay na napangiti ka lang. Ba't di ko nakita na ayaw mo na? Yung pose with you, ganun. Ano ba yung ginagawa mo? Ano ba? Pa rin ako sa mas minsan. Ang awkward! Kaso, si Ate Colette, ayan, pakita. Ate Colette, pakita mo lang mata mo. Mata lang. Ayan, guys. Hingay mo daw sa base ako. Magsasabahan kami, joke lang. One eye, sige, one eye. The playful conversation starts, counter all your quick remarks like passing notes in secrecy. And it was thank you, Ate Chini Reyes. Kahit anong flavor is okay, diba? Yeah, any flavor, anything. As long as it's food and it's not spicy. No boys anymore. It's ridiculous. It's been months. For some reason I just can't get over us. And I'm stronger than this. Enough is enough. No more walking around. Kamusta? Kamusta yung, you know, like having this life, this nakakaibang idol life, and it's like okay, answer the question, period. Let's go.
How could I say? Well, it's very naman. Like, I cannot even imagine.
Weird ang amoy ng pasta naman kayo. Thank you, Shane. Send my stickers, Bloom.
Sheena. Tapos TXT yung minention niya. Tapos sabi ni Sheena, ay, Mix O. Kasama ko siya sa recording sa same time. Sabi niya, Mix O. Si Miss Jovi, di niya alam. Tapos nag-send kami ng video. Sabi ni Sheena, Miss Jovi, nagtatampo si Nico. Sabi ko, ganun lang ako.
Zoom, so may dut-dut. They made dut-dut for the 1 million. 1.235 million max. Okay, so... Suki dayo. Daisuki dayo. Daisuki dayo. Kinahigugmata ka. Kinahigmuta. Kinahigugma. Alam, ayan si Ate Lain, taga Japan. Nag-ano siya? Nasa Japan siya ngayon. She lives there. So for sure, she knows how to speak Japanese. Oh yes, suminasai. Hi. Ganun sila. A million, but nothing's gonna change my mind. Even if you talk to everybody I know, baby, I'm not coming back, not coming back. Whatever you say, I don't wanna hear it, I don't wanna. Your love is a game, I'm never gonna miss it, never gonna. Can't believe. Hi to Alex. Hindi yan na-gets. Hindi ko na-gets ko. Lumapit ka sa akin mayroon akong gustong sabihin. Ako to.